How's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document on pretty much every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about or making this a 15-minute long video, I'm just going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for fixing UKTV Play not working with VPN issues right now. Plus, a few things that actually matter about each one, so you can just pick and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and read it anytime throughout the year. Seriously, no joke. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Top 3 VPN services for UKTV Play, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for getting UKTV Play working. Why? First, it actually bypasses UKTV Play's VPN blocks. Super important, obviously. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. That means smooth streaming, no buffering, no annoying connectivity issues, and solid speeds. Features, it's got the most out of any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection. You name it, it's there. Pricing and support, good price for what you get, and support is really solid. Logs? Nope, none at all. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no problems, pretty affordable for what it offers, and perfect for unlocking UKTV Play. Negatives? 10 device limit. Second best for UKTV Play is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance and streaming. Speed? Crazy fast with solid, stable speeds. No buffering, no lag spikes, just smooth viewing. Features? It has all the essentials like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Great if you want UKTV Play on VPN, but other apps off. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Usually cheaper than rivals, but delivers top-tier performance. Support's quick and helpful. Logs? No logs. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Top encryption, AES6. Negatives? Based in the US, which is a Five Eyes country, so some privacy fans get nervous. But their no-log audit is legit. Their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for smooth UKTV Play streaming and great bang for your buck. Third best for UKTV Play is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a huge server network and the most customization on this list, which helps when some servers get blocked by UKTV Play. Speed? Very good. With such a big server network, you can always find a fast, uncrowded server that works. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option. Support is pretty good and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? The best encryption tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. The app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful. Best if you're on a budget but still want a huge server network and reliable UKTV Play access. And that's it, my top 3 picks for UKTV Play: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on its logo or colors, you'll be fine. They just work perfectly with UKTV Play. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for UKTV Play, a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it UKTV Play VPN with killer value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and drop a comment telling me which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.